Hi Aquarius, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for January 2015. Happy New Year Aquarius. On January 3rd, Venus enters your sign Aquarius, and you enjoy being yourself, spending time around with others and putting yourself out there. Why hide when there's so much fun to be had? In love, you're going to be romantic, sweet, and affectionate, and you want to commit yourself deeply. In a relationship, you will try to create new sparks between the two of you. On January 20th, Sun joins Venus in Aquarius, and this is a time where you would want to be recognized and be praised for all that you do. You will try to get more attention and affection, and you're going to generally be quite fun and friendly to be around. You try to look at the world more positively and have a happy disposition. You may come across as warmer, friendlier, or generous. Mercury is not going to be playing nice this month, Aquarians, and Mercury enters Aquarius, that is your sign, around the 4th. And it starts twisting backwards around the 21st, and it carries on staying retrograde till about 11th of February. And this is a time where early in the month, you are going to be finding yourself being very excited about new ideas and quite active and enthusiastic about them. But as you get more into around middle of January, you could find that implementing those ideas with the Mercury retrograde is getting to be a task. So you try and be as flexible as possible with the implementation of the ideas. Go with the flow, adjust to what comes, and don't make any concrete plans that can't be undone or changed at the last minute. This retrograde, like I said, ends around 11th of February, and it's going to be impacting you more from mid-Jan to mid-Feb. On January 12th, Mars is going to be entering the water sign Pisces. This is a sign right after yours, and your energy could become more slower. You take your time in getting started and you don't care to be rushed for anything. And while it can take a long time or some amount of time to get you started, once you get started, there is really no stopping you. And you've got a little bit of that slow burn thing. So keep your eyes open for overexerting yourself, Aquarians. On January 4th, a full moon occurs in the water sign Cancer, and you can finish a work project, finalize arrangements or agreements, think about leaving your job or work, or maybe it may not be the best time to be making such a big decision around a retrograde. You are easily stressed this month, Aquarians, especially if you take on too much. So try not to push yourself too much and take some time to relax. On January 20th, a new moon occurs, and this happens just a day before Mercury goes retrograde. So this is really getting a second chance at everything or anything that you wanted to try or take a shot at. Opportunities arise that allow you to try again. So you will be getting this second inning again. So if something has gone wrong or it has not worked the way that you wanted the desired results, towards the 20th, you will get the chance again to be redoing the entire thing. Quite a fantastic start to the year, Aquarians. A lot of work, a lot of mental stimulation, ideas. The only thing is try to watch out that you don't overwhelm yourself with work. Try not to be on the rat race for a long time so that you burn out. So take care of your health and take care of your mental health as well. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you again in February, and thank you